The Zenit On can be equipped with the folding backrest bracket MD17. This stabilizing element is available for all Zenit On F models. To fold the wheelchair, lightly tap the center of the bracket to release tension. If installed, remove the front stabilizer MB79. Unlock or fold up the footboard. Release the central joint, and then fold the wheelchair. Unfolding follows the same steps in reverse. Depending on the options installed, the sequence may vary. It is important that all locks and latching points engage correctly.